In this question, we are going to find the antiderivative for the function f of x equals 5x e to the x squared dx. And the first thing that I notice is that this is an indefinite integral, meaning it does not have a lower and an upper bound. Now, the next thing that I notice is that I have an e here. And I really like taking the integral of e to the u du because that just equals e to the u plus c. So if I have an e to the u and a du in here, then I could just take the integral using this. So let's say that x squared is my u. So let's say u is x squared. That would make my du, that would make my du 2x. So if I could make this function e to the u du, then I could integrate this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move that 5 outside because that is not in my u or my du anywhere. I'm going to keep the x on the inside, and I'm going to say e to the x squared dx. Well, I need to have a 2x here. So if I add a 2 here, I would have to add a 1/2 here because 1/2 times 2 is 1. Therefore, I have not changed my equation at all. Now what I notice is that I have du and I have u. So I could rewrite this equation as 5/2 e to the u du. So what I did was I said that this was my u, and I replaced it with a u. And I said that this was my du, and I replaced it with the du. And technically the dx goes with the du. Technically it's here. So now I'm ready to integrate. And when I integrate this, I get 5/2 e to the u plus c, and that's from this rule. I need to substitute back in what my u was because I want this in terms of x, and so I get 5/2 e to the 2x plus c. That is my final answer.